Candid CBSE Biology Lab Manual for Class 9th.
Aim of the experiment: to make a temporary stain mount of onion peel and to record observations and draw their label diagrams. Apparatus required for this experiment are onion, glass slide and cover slip, watch glass, forceps, brush, filter paper, blade, safranin stain, dropper, and a microscope. To start the procedure, take an onion bulb, peel it off, cut it into pieces, peel off the transparent layer of epidermis, place it on the watch glass containing water. With the help of a blade, cut a square piece of this peel. With the help of a brush, place it in a drop of water on a clean glass slide. Put a drop of safranin stain on the peel to stain it. Cover the peel with a cover slip. Place the cover slip carefully to avoid the entry of air bubbles. Remove excess of stain with the help of filter paper. Now, observe the slide under the microscope. We can see a large number of polygonal cells. Cell membrane is present, which is covered by a thick covering. In the second part of this experiment, our aim is to prepare a temporary stain mount of cheek epithelial cells of a man and record observations and also draw their label diagrams. Clean toothpick, glass slide and a cover slip, methylene blue stain, filter paper, glycerin, dropper, some water and a microscope.